everyone, Michelle here. Hope you're having a good day wherever you're at. I'm going to do another round. This is 20, I think it should be 21-inch round. Definitely going to need more paint. So my base coat is just white. It's a PPG Multi Pro. And I'll start with my colors. I'm just going to do a bloom. I don't want a lot of negative space, so I'm going to lay these puddle colors on pretty heavy. This first one is Tropical Splash by Color Art Primary Elements. Then we have Golden Sand, also another primary element. I love this color. It is a great neutral color. It's a great color for, you know, water themed things like this one is. I have a festival in March on the Gulf Coast, and you know, ocean themed, water themed stuff is definitely the most desired. Now this is Greenish Blue, Amsterdam. I'm not going to use a ton of that because I don't want it to take over everything. And then this last one is TLP Lagoon. It's also a good beach color. Now this should give me ample coverage and not have a lot of negative space. And then my cell activator is Indigo. I am using quite a bit of it as well because I want it to stretch through. Since I'm going all the way to the edge with the color, I want the cell activator to stretch through. Hopefully that's enough. I really don't, I think I want some more actually, just a touch more. I know it sounds crazy to put this much in there, but I've discovered if I want something to go all the way to the edge, I gotta add more activator. All right, let's spin this out some. I'm just looking at stuff. A lot of bubbles. Trying to decide if I want to keep spinning, if I can get more off. It's pretty close to what I was looking at. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Has a little bit of negative space, and that's fine. Still got, I just mixed some of this paint. All right. Do see one little area I want to drag through. Yeah, I'm glad I did not use as much of the greenish blue because it definitely, well, it's a paint and not a pigment, so that's one issue it will definitely take over. Some of this excess paint. All right, I'll get you guys in for a close-up. So I'm kind of noticing something here. I'm looking through my phone, videoing it, and then I'm also, looking at the painting. And when I look at this, it looks like kind of stormy ocean, But while I'm looking through the phone, but looking at the painting, the greenish blue, Amsterdam greenish blue shows up more like Amsterdam greenish blue. So I don't know, it's kind of interesting. So there's nice cells, really good lacing. The lagoon is hard to see because everything is wet. Once it dries, like in here is quite a bit of lagoon, you just can't really see it. Maybe you see it right in there. Once it dries, though, it will show up nicely. Like that's not white, that's actually the Lagoon. You can see quite a bit of the sparkle through there. So definitely not a photographer, videographer stuff, you know. I can see some of the golden sand as well, but again, that's not really going to show up a lot either till it dries because it's so light. So anyhow, this is it. I don't know why I'm walking around. I could just spin the darn thing, right? Ah, I'm Enigmo. Oh, look at that, Michelle. It spins. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. All feedback is appreciated. If you have any color thoughts or designs or anything, it'd be nice to have someone tell me sometimes before I do it. So anyways, have a wonderful day and go mix it up. Bye.